Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Elphaba, the iconic green witch from Wicked, in an adorable Chibi style. Grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's create this charming mini version of the Wicked Witch together. Start by drawing the large Chibi eyes, super wide and shiny, with thick upper lashes to give her that magical, expressive look. And remember, if any step feels a little too fast, don't worry. Pause the video anytime and take it at your own pace. Drawing should always feel fun and relaxed. Elphaba is the main character of the musical Wicked, known as the Wicked Witch of the West, but with a completely new and deeper backstory. Her green skin symbolizes how she always felt like an outsider, even before discovering her true power. The name Elphaba is a tribute to L. Frank Baum, author of The Wizard of Oz, formed from his initials, LFB. The musical first premiered on Broadway in 2003 and became one of the most successful shows in theater history. Place a small rounded nose, very delicate and subtle, just a hint to complete her cute expression. Draw her happy little mouth, slightly curved like a tiny cat smile, perfect for this sweet Chibi version. Add the tiny ears, keeping them soft and round to match the Chibi proportions. Now outline the oversized Chibi head, much bigger than the body, enhancing the adorable, exaggerated proportions. Elphaba's signature song, Defying Gravity, is one of the most iconic musical numbers ever performed on stage. In Wicked, she's portrayed as brave, misunderstood, and fiercely loyal to the people she loves. Her friendship with Glinda is at the heart of the story, showing that people from opposite worlds can form deep bonds. Now sketch her tall, crooked witch hat, oversized and whimsical, curling slightly at the top to enhance the magical vibe. The broom she carries is not originally for witching around, but becomes her symbol of freedom and rebellion. Elphaba is often interpreted as a metaphor for anyone who feels different or judged by society. Wicked has inspired books, tours, adaptations, and a massive global fan base, and continues to win the hearts of new generations. If you're enjoying this cute Chibi drawing, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and check out more tutorials here on Davi Toons Club. And tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next, and in which style? Retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or Chibi? I'd love to hear your ideas. Draw the tiny, simplified torso and sketch her classic witch dress with the puffed sleeves and soft folds. For her left arm, keep it short, soft, and chubby, ending with an open hand. Add her crossbody shoulder bag, letting the strap run diagonally across the torso for extra charm. Now draw the long witch cape, gently spreading outward behind her, giving movement to the silhouette. Add her little chibi boots, just barely visible under the hem of the dress. Tiny, cute, and simple. For the right arm, draw it slightly bent so she can hold her tiny wooden broom, keeping the handle simple and the bristles round and fluffy. Before coloring, here are the main tones: bright green skin, deep purple dress and hat, black hair with brown highlights, straw or yellowish tones for the broom bristles, but remember, you can color your artwork however you want. Make this part of the broom circular and ending in a point like a large teardrop. Add her hair pulled into a ponytail, flowing smoothly behind her and peeking out under the hat. And here's our Elphaba. Tiny, magical, expressive, and full of chibi charm. I hope this tutorial has inspired you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.